How to fix YouTube Shorts sound not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new guide video. So there are a couple of fixes that you can try out in order for you to solve this issue. The first thing that you could do in this case is try to check if your volume on your phone is completely working. So for that, look out for other applications and check if the sound is playing on other applications as well. If that is working completely fine for you, the other thing that you can try out is try to clear the cache or data of your YouTube app. So if you tap and hold the app of YouTube and head over to app info, from this settings page you'll be able to see the option called clear data. You can just tap on this option. What this will do is remove any kinds of glitches or simple bugs which may be causing this issue. Apart from this, what you can also try out is look for any new updates available on the YouTube platform. Head over to the Play Store or the App Store, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you tap on the update button. Also, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling the application of YouTube onto your phone. By doing this couple of steps, you should be now able to fix the YouTube Shorts sound not working issue. If this guide video was helpful to you, do let us know. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.